Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Saxo Bank Trading Platform. Saxo Bank offers a robust trading platform known as a Saxo Trader Go, designed for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform provides access to a wide range of financial instruments including forex, stocks, ETFs, bonds, and commodities, all from a single interface. One of its standout features is the customizable layout, allowing users to tailor their workspace to suit their trading style. The platform boasts advanced charting tools with over 40 technician indicators and drawing tools, enabling traders to analyze market trends effectively. Additionally, real-time news feeds and market analysis are integrated, keeping users informed of global events that may impact their trades. For those on the move, the Saxo Trade Go mobile app offers a seamless trading experience, syncing watch lists and charts across devices. Security is priority, with two-factor authentication ensuring safe access to accounts. The platform also supports various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders, providing flexibility in trade execution. For investors interested in long-term holdings, Saxo offers ETF investments with competitive fees, making it an attractive option for portfolio diversification. Customer support is readily available, offering assistance through multiple channels. However, some users have noted that the platform's advanced features may have a learning curve for beginners. Overall, Saxo Bank's trading platform is a comprehensive tool that caters to a wide range of trading needs, combining functionality with a user-friendly design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.